Hello and welcome to the studio. I've been working on this for quite a while now. I've been planning this for 2 years now, basically ever since I came here. And now it's finally gotten to fruition. We've got the pretty much almost finished setup here. The idea is to be able to previs whatever we need to do any design work we need to do, programming, time code, programming, anything like that. So the first thing is this computer. Brand new previous computer. Has a 3090 Ti and a i9 12900K. Can pretty much handle anything except for the pens. I'm running my Razer Blade Pro here for Depends and any other softwares I need to run. Reaper. I've got my shitty little Behringer here. Right now I'm just using it to work as a headphone DAC. I am planning on putting some studio monitors back there, but right now we don't have the stands or the studio monitors. But yeah, we've got a full size here, running mode 2, and then we've got a Surface Studio 2 here that is running OSC Pilot, and most of the time during actual shows this is running Beyond. Just because it's a humongous touch surface, I prefer to use it. It's much nicer to be able to just touch everything. Right now it has some experimental stuff I've been working on. You can ignore that. We have the MQ500 on the side here for doing Kempsys programming if I need to. I can swap the two if I need to as well. But it's nice to have this here in case I need to update the console or do any color accuracy stuff, because MA2 does not have a CIE picker, but Kempsys does, so that's what I've been using. We've got a 4K TV. It's a bit smaller than I'd like, but it works just fine. And then these two screens are fantastic. These are two 32-inch monitors, 4K monitors. 60 hertz, but it doesn't really matter the refresh rate for designing. It is awesome. It's the first time I've been able to use quad windows and it being actually useful. Still not super useful to have Spotify quadded, so I just put it on the side there. But we've got the pens here. We got the full suite on both computers because we have two of these setups. This is the other setup here. That PC back there. Everything's on a UPS. So if we lose power or anything, we can safely shut down and save. We have a MIF 4 and a SR112 for time code. And this Stream Deck just runs some tools so I can monitor the temps of my GPU and CPU. But yeah, this is the previous studio. It's pretty awesome. Everything runs through this network switch here. I've actually got two of them. There's one hidden under here. But yeah, it's pretty awesome.